Fortaco is the leading brand-independent strategic partner to the heavy off-highway equipment and marine industries, offering technology, vehicle cabins, steel fabrications, and vehicle assembly. Fortaco Group has operations in multiple European business sites and technology hubs, which are supporting our global customers. We benchmark ourselves to the automotive industry and standards to secure maximized value add for our customers as a true Tier 1 partner. We have the right quality, the right delivery accuracy, and the right price. Together, we want to reshape the way things are produced. To operate off-highway equipment effectively, in forests, mines, construction sites, ports, warehouses, it is vital for the machine operator to have a safe, reliable, user-friendly, ergonomic, and comfortable machine interface. These are the key elements Fortaco takes into consideration when offering cabin design, development, and production to our off-highway equipment OEM customers. With the latest technology and our wealth of experience, we ensure our services are delivered at the right time with the right quality and the right price. Fortaco's production site in Kurikka was established in 1936. Kurikka City is located in western Finland, where we have good road connections, supported by a nearby ferry connection between Vasa and Umeå, Sweden. For business travelers, Seinäjoki Railway Station and Vasa Airport are less than 45 minutes away by car. Over the years, business site Kurikka has developed and produced tractor-trailers, forestry machines, snowmobiles, welded steel structures, and heavy equipment cabins. The development and production of cabins dates back to Valmet's forestry machine business in the 1980s. Today, more than 240 professionals are focusing on developing and producing cabins for world-class heavy equipment OEM customers globally. Our cabin technology function is responsible for product development, including project management, industrial design, mechanical/electrical engineering, prototyping, and testing. Dedicated cabin technology teams are located in Kurikka, Finland, and Holic, Slovakia. We are proud to present the recently introduced Technology Hub with brand new prototype facilities. The Technology Hub helps our customers and us to meet the ever-increasing demands in terms of quality, safety, cost, and time to market already in the prototype phase. A fully equipped plug-and-play ready cabin can include up to 1,500 parts. Our global sourcing network works closely with R&D, the manufacturing organization, and supply chain partners. Our modern robot welding equipment and automated tack-based welding line ensure effective and high-quality cabin frame production. Cabin frames are pre-treated with zinc phosphating and epoxy-based E-coat primer. Finished with a powder top coat, the surface treatment fulfills the toughest demands in corrosion protection and finish. The heavy equipment cabins of today are sophisticated assemblies consisting of hundreds of mechanical, electronic, and hydraulic components. Assembly work requires skilled personnel and controlled processes. To ensure the right quality and efficient production, we are continuously improving our operations and, for example, have lately implemented video analyzing methods. We serve our customers globally with spare parts which can be anything from simple fasteners to complete plug-and-play cabins. When you need a reliable, customer-oriented, and competent cabin partner, please visit us and join our mission to create added value for our customers by reshaping the way products are produced.